On yesterday's math lesson, there were a few ideas that some of us had some difficulty with, so I just want to make sure that we are feeling really good about our understanding of exponents. So the first big idea was that exponents involve multiplying the base by itself. So for example, if I had the exponential expression 4 to the power of 3, what I saw was people who did a few different things. Some people did 4 times 3. Some people added 4 3 times. And then some people multiplied 4 by itself 3 times. Because we know that exponents ask us to multiply the base by itself, that means that this first option would be incorrect. This second option would be incorrect. And that this final option, which has 4, and I'm just going to point out this is our base, that we're multiplying the base by itself 3 times because 3 is the exponent. So we want to make sure that we're remembering this really basic idea. In an exponential expression, you multiply the base by itself, whatever number the exponent includes. Here, 4 is our base, 3 is our exponent, so we multiply the base by itself 3 times. The other really tricky idea from yesterday was that we had to actually notice the base value, and in yesterday's lesson, the base values were getting a little bit tricky. Sometimes our base values might have been a fraction, sometimes our base values might have been one letter or one value, and sometimes the base value might have been a group in parentheses. So we're going to look at two examples here. In the expression 3 plus m to the power of 3, our base value is simply the letter m. So the base value is the only thing that gets multiplied by itself. If I wrote this expression in expanded form, it would look like this: 3 plus, and then I'm going to use parentheses to show the exponential expression, m times m times m. This portion of the expanded expression shows that I'm multiplying the base value m by itself. Now, in the second expression, we have parentheses that actually show that 3 plus m is the entire base value. So that means that 3 plus m is what gets multiplied by itself 3 times. So again, our base value is in parentheses, so we multiply that whole base value by itself 3 times because the exponent is 3. I want to show one more example, and that would be what to do when you have a fraction as your exponent. So this is a little bit tricky. If you have something that looks like this, let's say we have 1, oopsies,